in this moment, I want you to turn your awareness and your focus to your breath. Don't change the rhythm of your breathing, just become aware of it. Feel the air as it moves in through your nose, down into your lungs. Feel your chest rise as your lungs fill up with air. Feel your chest fall as you exhale. Pay attention to the sensations of the air moving in through your nose, nice, cool, refreshing air down into your lungs. And as you exhale, be aware of that breath. It's a little bit warmer as you exhale. Just become aware and centered in this sensation. Now pay attention to the way this breath sounds. When you breathe in, when you breathe out, what does that breath sound like? Are there other sounds going on around you? Just make note of those sounds. Just observe them. Now I want you to become aware of what you may be seeing. What is it that's in front of you visually? Don't make any judgments about what's in your field of awareness. Just make note of what's in front of you at the present moment. Become aware of any sensations on your skin. Is it cool where you are? Is it warm? Are you comfortable? Just make note of these things. Pass no judgment. And as you anchor in these sensations, now I want you to turn your attention to your thoughts and your feelings. Now don't follow any train of thought. Don't follow any emotion. You don't want to feed any of these things. Simply observe them. What's going on in your emotional body right now? What emotions are you experiencing? Just make note of them. You don't want to judge them as good or as bad. You just want to name them. Maybe you're feeling happiness. Maybe you're feeling calm. Maybe you're feeling sadness. Identify the feeling, but don't judge it. And very much the same, what's going on in your mind? I don't want you to follow any of the thoughts. I just want you to observe the thoughts as they come and as they go. First of all, in this observation, you can notice that thoughts are very temporary. They come and they go very quickly most often. Emotions tend to stay with us a little bit longer. Just make note of any emotions or any thoughts that are going on inside of you right now. Now, I want you to turn your awareness as you do this onto the observer. Who is it that's doing this observation? If you are not your thoughts because you can observe them, and you are not your emotions because you can observe them, who is doing this observation? This is what I call the soul perspective. From this space, you can now observe any thought, any feeling, any sensation that comes into your awareness, and you can choose to make that observation. You can choose to pause and observe, and then you can formulate your response accordingly. But this active observation and coming to this space of being a neutral observer of your emotions and your thoughts is where you want to come to first. And when you come to this space, now you can make decisions about how you want to respond to what it is you may be thinking, what it is you may be feeling, or any situation that may be in front of you.